Does Gestalt psychotherapy help with panic attacks, with panic disorder or agoraphobia? So I was trained in Gestalt psychotherapy. I spent about 3 years training in that modality. And the answer is, it depends. It depends on how rigidly you adhere to the original theory. So Gestalt psychotherapy, within the theory, they have the toolkit, the tool set that we can leverage to help you overcome panic attacks. The problem is that part of the theory, the whole theory, it's not directive. Does that make sense? Do you know what I'm saying? When I say directive, I mean like, here's what we're gonna do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No. Gestalt is like, let's just see what comes up. And that is chaos. That is chaos. Granted, that's also a tool. That's also a tool that can be used to help us win the battle against panic attacks. Openness to experience, essentially. Let's see what comes up. This loosey-goosey approach. That is very important to help you redefine your relationship towards your anxious, scared, fearful experiences. Because right now with panic attacks, if you're dealing with them, you're very anxiety avoidant. And that's bad. That's actually what's fueling the panic. So Gestalt has the toolkit, but the instructions on how to use the toolkit is not the most optimal one for treating panic attacks. So we could still do Gestalt if it was a bit more directive, right? If we started targeting those toolkits, the openness to experiences, the openness to experience that Gestalt encourages, if we were to leverage that specifically on panic triggers and do exposure with it, yes, it would work. But we will still have to combine Gestalt with exposure. Gestalt by itself would struggle to help you with panic attacks. If you take Gestalt and combine it with exposure, you make it more directive form of therapy, then yes, it should work. Have I ever applied Gestalt exclusively on panic attacks? No, because it's not direct enough, right? It doesn't get to the matter at hand. What I use is acceptance and commitment therapy in combination with exposure therapy. Mostly, I throw in a little bit of paradoxical intent in there. I throw in a little bit of personification of panic. And I leverage anger, the emotion of anger, as opposed to fear, because anger can cancel out fear. And anger is an approach emotion, and exposure is an approach activity. So those are my main toolkits that I use. So I hope that answers your question. See you in the next one.